In this session, we are going to discuss 7 logic gates. Out of them, 3 will be the basic logic gates and remaining 4 will be your derived logic gates. So, now let us start with this basic logic gates. So, they are nothing but OR, AND and NOT gates. So, we know that in case of OR gate, we are having the parallel connections, because if any one of the inputs are on, then output is on in case of OR gate. So, we are having this input I1, we are having this input I2. So, they have got connected in parallel and this is our respective output, that is our Q1. So, in case of AND gate, we know that when both inputs are 1 or on, then only the output will be on. So, we are putting two switches, two NO switches in series. So, this is our input 1, this is our input 2 and the respective output is there. In case of NOT gate, we know that when the input is 1, output will be 0, when the input will be 0, then output will be 1. So, here we have taken one break contact of this input, that is I1, and this is the respective output, that is our Q3, that is denoting the NOT gate output or the NOT logic output. So, now in case of derived gates, we are having 4 derived gates. So, they are nothing but NAND, NOR, XOR and XOR. So, we know that in case of NAND gate, what is the NAND gate? NAND gate means we are putting one NOT at the output of the AND gate. So, A and B whole bar. A and B whole bar means what? Means A bar and A bar plus B bar. So, A bar means I will be taking the NC, that is the normally connected, that is the break contact of input 1, and this is our break contact of input 2. So, we are supposed to have this one as A bar, this one is B bar, but we are having A bar plus B bar. So, that is why these two switches are working in parallel and this is our NAND gate output, it has been depicted as Q1. In case of NOR gate, we know it is nothing but A plus B whole bar, that means A bar and B bar. So, A bar means we have taken this, that is the NC of this I1, NC of this I2, and means the switches must be connected in series and there is a respective output, that is a NOR output. So, in this way we can also go for the testing if we require. I have given you the ladder diagrams, you can open your software Logosoft, you can draw these ladder diagrams, you can go for the testing in the simulation mode. So, let us go for the rest 2, that is the XOR and NXOR. So, this is our XOR, we know that XOR logic is A bar B plus A B bar. So, A bar B plus A B bar. So, that is the NC of, that is the normally connected or the break contact of I1 and make contact of I2, make contact of I1, break contact of I2. So, this is they are connected in series, so AND logic, they are connected in series, so AND logic, they are connected in parallel, so OR logic, and that is the XOR output. And this is the last gate we are going to implement, that is NXOR, also we can call it as XNOR. So, in case of NXOR gate, the Boolean function is AB plus A bar B bar. So, make contact of A or I1, make contact of B or I2, that is the break contact of A, that is I1, there is a break contact of B, that is I2, they are connected in series, so AND, they are connected in series, so AND, these two combinations are connected in parallel, so OR, so I am getting this required NXOR gate as output. So, in this way we have discussed all the 7 gates. So, they were OR, AND, NOT, NAND, NOR, XOR and NXOR. You can easily implement them in the respective simulation mode, you can test them, you can implement them using the Logosoft software. So, I am leaving this one as your homework. Thanks for watching this video.